Welcome to Best RV channel. I am Nala Mari from Best RV in Turla, California. Best RV is located in the Central Valley of state of California. We specialize in motorized and towable. We're #1 dealer in the state of California since 2014. What is behind me is the most people they ask for. A lot of people, they want a small trailers. We understand. But some customers, they say, I like a small trailer, but I don't want a single axle. This is the smallest travel trailer you're gonna find in the market with a dual axle Winnebago Micro Mini 1720 FB. What does it mean by 1720? It's 17 foot. It has a bed in the front, dining and the kitchen in the center, big bathroom in the back, and is on a dual axle. So a lot of people, they purchase this unit for two things: the weight. The dual axle has a queen bed on the front, a dinette, a kitchen, loaded. And one thing Winnebago separated themselves is the quality and the option they offer you on their travel trailer. For example, even if it's a small trailer, they still give you the same amenities as their high end. You have a gel-coated cap in the front, so all this is gel-coated cap in the front. You have a diamond plate or mirror in the front, big through the storage area, 200-watt solar panel, inverter prep, and independent electric stabilizer jack. It is a big deal. You need to know Winnebago is the only company give you independent stabilizer, electric stabilizer jack with separate switches. That means I have this switch. I could bring this side, grab receive, and then I could use the second switch and I could bring the other side. Other manufacturers, they give you only one switch, which is the first one come down, and then when it's touched the ground, the second one start moving until it touch the ground. With Winnebago is I have the flexibility. I could bring this one more, I could bring this one more, I could play with these switches until I have it stabilized. Now, as you see, it has a nice power awning with LED. Look how big the GPL outdoor speakers. They give you even a place for a TV outside for the TV bracket. Dual axle aluminum rims. It's a one thing again, Winnebago quality and features and items. They give you Goodyear tires, not a Chinese bomb, so they last longer. Now, even as this 17 foot, they give you the best axle in the market, which is torsion bar axle. Independent suspensions. They don't give you spring leaves like the other. 3-step to get in. Some other brand, they give you only 2. This is 3-step. Entry assistant handle. Now, here's what's Winnebago separate themselves from the other. 3-year structural warranty. They give you the Comfort Tech package, Explore package, and the Asdel fiberglass, 200-watt solar panel, and certified green. So these kind of features, these kind of packages, they provide Winnebago on their even small trailers. So outside ladder come with it. Other brands, and you guys, you've seen a lot of videos, they come with Lippert expandable ladder, a spare tire on the cover. You have a class 2, class 3 hitch receivers in the back for a storage tray, a bike rack, backup camera prep. You have 2-inch by 2-inch bumpers in the back, solid, where you could store your solar hose. Outside shower, hot and cold. Car cables, satellite hookup, cable hookup, 30-amp cord, Sani flush. Now, I want you, the cameraman, come over here and show them why I like this frame. The Winnebago, they use B&L frame, which is this bolted frame. So this, sometimes it depends on the welder. If it's a welded frame, sometimes the weld break, that's might have issues. But with this Winnebago, you're not gonna have that issue because it's a bolted frame and it's a B&L. And if the cameraman come here and show them underneath where's my finger, there's no spring leaves and there's no shackles. So that's the point. You have independent suspensions, smoother ride for your travel trailers. No issue with your travel trailer, just bouncing on the road. And the same axle is in the R3. This is Another show you that you give you the slam luggage door with a metal lock so they don't break. Magnets, and you can see how deep it is. Over there in the corner, you have the controller of your solar inverter prep. They give you a big door so you could put your picnic table, lounge chairs. Some of them they don't. This has a huge. Also, they give you additional solar prep on the side. So if you decide to put another solar beside the solar on the top, you have it. Now, they're gonna tell me, Niall, that's a small trailers. What kind of size of the propane tank you give on this Winnebago? Now you need to realize on that Winnebago, they do the extra beyond, because other manufacturers, when it's a small trailer, they cut corners. They give you 2 propane tank with a regulator and a big cover, electric tongue jack. So this unit, this Winnebago, it comes complete. They give you a battery disconnect switch here in case if you want to kill the battery, the power on the unit. So when you park it next to your house, this is to show you. But I really like, they give you a big door, because some of them, barely they give you this size. Barely you could get a lounge chair or a picnic table. Here's your solar panel controller, the one we told you. Here's your inverter prep. So it's already prepped for the inverter. And this was there. Now let's walk inside and show you all the feature of the 1720 FB. Now, if the camera stop, I want to show you a simple thing, what is mean by quality, because customers sometimes looking at this unit and they don't see this extra quality. All other brands, unfortunately, they don't give you no shade on this window. All other brands, they just give you window, which is true. But to show you quality of Winnebago is they giving you a shade for this window. This is a simple thing when you mean quality on the unit. They give you a nice 3 screen door. And coming down here, let me show you the nice quality of this unit. Yeah, we're inside this unit. Now, why people they buy this unit? Why they choose this floor plan? 2 things. Dual axle, this is the smallest unit on a dual axle. Number 2, this unit has all big stuff. That means bigger AC, 15,000 PTU. Even if this is 15,000 PTU air conditioned, they give you the bigger refrigerator, so it has the 10.7, almost 11 cubic foot reefer, separate door, fridge and freezer. They give you a nice dinette, solid, roomy. They give you storage compartment underneath those dinette. Nice bed. If you come over here, they give you 2 nice windows. There's a USB plug in the corner, and all these compartments they open. This is another thing what I really like. They use European hinges, as you see. Show them the European hinges, how the doors sit by itself, and then you just kind of close it. You have more storage than waste. Whole bed is a storage from outside and inside. There's another storage underneath the bed. This is the inside part, and the whole bed, as I showed you outside, is the outside part. Nice shelter here for your breathing machine, water, laptop, iPhone. All this is cabinet. They give you a nice stereo with the speakers inside and speakers outside. DPL, good brand. They give you a big smart TV and a swing arm. As you see, it's a swing arm. You could twist it. Cell phone charger, wireless charging to place your phone here and charge. They give you another pantry here. Also USB plug, 110 plug in case if you have laptop. This what is worth a million. Now you say now you talk too much sometimes. What does mean it's worth a million? Yes, I tell you what, because when you look at the other brands on the 17 footers, 18 footers brands, what kind of kitchen countertop? They give you composite kitchen countertop. So with waters sometimes it's separate. Where's this gonna separate here? Look, there's a solid service countertop. This is solid. Show them how it is solid. If you get the camera close, you see it's a solid. Even they give you extension. And then the sink, country sink, one piece, deep. Right faucet, rice. 2-burner range with backsplash glass. Big door for your tinsel, cooking pans. Just extra touch. Let me show you. Now you're gonna laugh and say, why did you show me this? Well, I want to show you this to show you the quality of this Winnebago. Because when you look at the other brand, you're gonna see a big brown box or black, and you ask the salesman, what's this box? He's gonna tell you it's where all your fuses and circuit breaker. What's this on this unit? It's hidden. Look nice, professional. They give you a solid door for it. And then they give you the fuse box like the other brands. The other brands, you see this box all over the unit. In Winnebago, you don't see it. This is what I mean by quality and features and high build and people looking for every detail. That's what is Winnebago. They're detail-oriented company. And then you have solid doors, open. They don't waste any space. Some more storage. They don't waste no space. Then in the top, they give you a big one. And they give you, this is electric oven, convection, microwave, and a microwave. Going to they give you even fan here. So to take the heat or take the smell. Look, they give you more closet, more storage, more shelf here. I could put my coffee maker, my toaster if I want to, or whatever I want. I use my spice rack, my cereals, my canned food. I could utilize it. And then over here, look how very roomy for my toilet. They give you, look how beautiful this one. Let me show you here, please. So look like nice showers, very open skylight. Solid, nice mirror, fans, but also it giving you the sink. So if I want to just wash my hand, I have a sink, foldable sink. And the reason why they try to save the space and give you more storage, more room, more living in the living area, and they put the sink in the shower, so it's a sink or shower. So this is the 1720 FB. Also, I want you to emphasize this to my customer. People, they ask me, what's tank heater? Okay, again, quality, and features, and detail oriented. All travel trailers, a majority of them, you will hear the terminology enclosed heated underbelly, which is true. We're not gonna say no. They seal the underneath the unit, they put installation, and they say, we're done, here's enclosed underbelly. But do you know Winnebago has heated pad on the tank, run of 12 volts. It's called tank heater. So when you go to the extreme cold weather, you turn the switch on, and what's gonna happen? It's gonna warm. This switch is gonna warm my tank, so it keep all the tanks warm, so they don't freeze the plumbing, so I don't have a plumbing issue. And I could run this through the battery. I don't have to be plugged in. That's called tank heater. So Winnebago, they do enclosed underbelly like everybody, but additional to that, they add heated pad on the tank, run of 12 volt. You could run it while you're traveling or when you park to keep your tank warm, so they don't have breaking plumbing like if you don't have that. That's what is mean features and detail oriented and extra option. That's what I'm saying. If you say price, yes, we have the same unit. We sell here for $13.99 if you want to. But this one is customer who want these things. You want aluminum fiberglass. You want aluminum frame. You want Asdel fiberglass. You want dual axle. You want torsion bar axle. You want 200-watt solar panel. You want the big fridge and freezer, a convection microwave, a big smart TV, outside speakers, inside speaker. Come with the ladder. And he want individual electric stabilizer jack in every corner, electric tongue jack. That kind of customer who's looking for the Winnebago 1720. And we assure you, no one in the state of California could even come close to our Winnebago prices. And even we get call from the factory, Nile, you guys at Best RV, you sell them so low prices. Raise your price, raise your price. The other competitor, they can't compete with you. Well, we tell them this is our goal, is to give my customer high quality, good service, no bogus fees, no hidden fees, and the lowest price. So when he come to Best RV, he know and I know we save him thousands, not hundreds, thousands of dollars comparing other dealers who sell the same unit. Come to Best RV and grab this brand new 2025 Winnebago 1720 FB.